home theater. There are some speakers which are designed for it. For example, klipsch, magnetic cover. Oh, it's very magnetic. Let me just... There you go, there you go. Look at the design. It will fire the sound on the left and on the right. So it will spread the sound in your cinema. Very unusual. Yeah, not like the regular speaker. Basically having two speakers and no wine. One box. And a very nice tweeter. Well, two of them. This one has a bass reflex also. The new models are without bass reflex, a closed one. On the back, a model number. This is a very old speaker, but same design. Link in the description, of course, for the new version without bass reflex. We do have 4 points which will touch the wall. Those are rubber feet, or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, designed to not damage your wall. Okay. We do have a bass reflex. There you go. Like you can see, the speaker itself is not too thick, but it is heavy. Very heavy. Look at those tweeters. Let me just put it a little bit closer. Wow. $800 for the US on Amazon, and on Europe $730. This is the most luxury, expensive version from klipsch. You can buy a different brand, it doesn't matter. The design matters. And I think you can also find a cheaper version of those, because 733 euros, it's not cheap, but definitely great surround sound.
Who are you? I'm no one. I was raised to do one thing, but I've got nothing to fight for. Nothing will stand in our way. I will finish what you started. There are stories about what happened. It's true. All of it. The dark side. The Jedi. It's calling to you. Just let it in.